Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to withdraw your USDT from Bitget to bank account. All right, so first up, open up your account at bitget.com. And then once you're in here, just go ahead over to your assets right here at the top right. Okay, and just tap on withdraw. Now in here, just go ahead and go to the left panel and click on withdraw fiat. And then once done, just go ahead and select your currency. And then after that, just tap on next, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Now another way to withdraw, by the way, is by selling your cryptocurrency via quick sell. Okay, so right here at the top left, click on buy crypto, buy and sell. Now instead of buying, tap on sell, and then sell what? For example, you wanted to sell your Bitcoin, okay, and you will have the receiving with, click on the drop down right here. You could receive it to your Visa or Visa card. Now the other option, which I'm going to be showing you, is P2P. All right, so let's go ahead over to P2P trading. All right, here. Now instead of buying, again, click on sell. Sell what? USDT, Bitcoin, for example. And then the payment method right here, you can just go ahead and close or click on X so that everything will be listed right here. Okay, or you can just go ahead and filter it out. But depending on the currency that you have selected right here, the payment method will change as well. For example, PHP. I'm going to use PHP. And we'll click on the drop down. As you can see here, the Philippine banking is now listed in here. Also, we have e-wallets like Gcash and Maya, GoTime, or even Wise, and Maribank as well. So as you can see here, for example, I'm going to filter this out to just Gcash right here. I'm going to click on it. As you can see here, here are the list of buyers that are willing to pay using their Gcash. Okay. So for example, this guy right here. And by the way, the best available price will be listed right here. So just click on sell. Sell how much Bitcoin, for example, 1. Okay. And once you click on your Bitcoin amount, it will be converted right here. So just go ahead and select payment method, bank transfer, e-wallet, Gcash, for example, and enter your Gcash number, click on save and use, and once done, you're good to go. Right? Again, same goes to USDT right here. Select the currency, select the payout method, and then just click on sell, enter the amount of USDT, and it will be converted. Select your payment method, enter the number or card number, save and use, and once done, you're good to go. And that is how you sell USDT from Bitget to bank account. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.